Hi guys, today we're gonna be making a squishy right now. So guys, this is what I'm going to make, guys. It's this little bites chocolate thing, I think. So I'm going to sketch it, okay? And guys, don't mind these stuff here. And I forgot what materials we should be using. First, we're gonna be using paper. I already seem to color it, but I might be using Crayola Super Clips and marker and clear tape. I make around using clear tape. You can use any faulty tape or anything, but I like around using clear tape. Or like me, you use small tape for the sides. I use that, so yeah. I'll be using scissors, and so be careful when you're using scissors. And I'm gonna be using cotton stuffing, so yeah, I'm just going to sketch it. So I am going to sketch. Or should I sketch? So here is sketching it. So I am going to come back when it's all done. So okay, I got the extra paper now. Okay, I got the extra paper, okay? So don't judge. Now, if I'm all done sketching, well, I leave a mark, whatever. Now it's time to color. But first, I usually use, if I'm gonna color, I'm going to erase all this marks so I don't, while I'm coloring, this will be nothing. I'm gonna get this. I have a pencil. I'm going to write one, this, and you're gonna color it. Hopefully that it will go like this. So I will make erasing first. I can still see it if I am erasing still. Ugh. So yeah. I think I just turned off my lights, whatever. I disrecorded it. I'm acting weird again. But anyways, like I said, I'm going to erase some of it. So yeah. And so you can hear some stuff in the background because that's my brother. He's just using laptop. So yeah. So guys, I found the right picture. So I got the wrong picture. So let's get this closer. So I got the picture. I am not gonna show it because you will be seeing how I color now. So usually I'm gonna get one, or I'll try to get that color over here. You can see it right over there. I'm gonna try to find the closest color to it. So here, I'm gonna find it. Oh, I found one. Is this one? This is the darkest blue I have. So let's just color. Oh. Ooh, she's pretty kind of close. Oh, this is the one, I think. What happens when I mix it? That's the color I have to use right there. And the camera looks pretty good. Let me just there is the dark blue. And see, that's why I like Crayola. I don't go through paper, just only one paper you can go through. So yeah, I have my decision. I'm gonna be using this crayon marker, so I just color it all in here. I'll be talking while I'm doing my coloring stuff. So yeah, I'll be putting something under my papers so I can color better. So I'm gonna do a quick story, okay? Wait, I should not do a story because one of my stories are scary. So I hope you can see what I'm coloring. So yeah, am I only 5 years old? I have the best day ever. I can go outside, yeah, and I can go malls with my family because before, 2016 or 15, I have my cousins are here. They still live here, not in Japan. Oh, they do live in Japan, but they took the summer here because my cousin haven't been starting school because he's like my age. He's like my age. He's just like my age. Hey. But we all used aircons before, but today we're in the Philippines. So that's why it's pretty hot. And when they're here, oh my god, I just made a mistake. I always bring out my secret there. Okay, here. All done. So yeah, like we always using stuff like that. Long story. I don't want to talk about it. I just want to go have fun, and I don't want COVID in my way, because we should be like doing the teacher stuff, and we're almost graduating, like grade. Wait, what else grade? Wait, like grade 3, and I should be like graduating grade 4. Recently, bad news. That's like half, or like it was 2020. I think that was like 2020 or 2019, around there. I don't really know. I don't really remember that. Oh, yeah, 2020, because we have do our Christmas party. So, yay. And guys, this is my brother playing Roblox, just by the way. Yeah, like there's the best times in the world, and we usually go like on vacation always. And I'm not gonna, guys, I'm not flexing on you guys. I'm not really flexing. I'm not flexing, okay? I like to say it because I'm bored, and I'm all finally done in the names. Now I'm going to get a dark brown, or I only have 2 browns of it, so I have a darker one and a lighter one. So this. What happened to my brown? I'm gonna get it. Okay, this is pretty cool. Oh, there's more. I think definitely this one. It's like more darker. Oh yeah, this one's the one I'm looking for. So I'm going to be coloring this part now. I think I'm getting this wrong. I hope not. I'm going to color it. Okay, I'm going to color it. Some people think I'm flexing on them, but I'm actually not flexing. I think other people think it, but I don't flex. I just want to change it because I'm bored. Yeah, I'm bored, guys. So I just decided to make a video. And when I'm using a phone, I'm still bored because you can just do the same thing whatever you do. As YouTube, nah, I can only watch Sketch Live, Paper Squishy, and the gaming stuff. I will get bored here. So, yeah. I hate quarantine. Are we in quarantine? I really don't know. Whatever. Because I haven't been outside for a long time. Wait, should I like there? I wanna there. So I am going to be back when I'm all done coloring. All done, guys, from the coloring. I hate it so much, but it looks pretty good so far. So yeah. Now I will just take my tape. There, I'm gonna get a big one. I'm going to laminate. It's like taping it together like this. Like you just basically like cover it all tape. But if you're like not wasting tape, you really get a small one. If like it gives you a shine and it makes it stronger, the paper squishy, because it don't rips. If it's just paper, oh my gosh, ito ay nang laminated, oh my gosh, it will break easily. I can't stop laminating if I'll not make paper squishy if I don't have tape. Like a lot of people do that because they don't know what they will use for, like taping the sides. Obviously, I'm going to take the small little one and tape it in the top. Then like that, like this. And then I go like this again, and they go like that. Now, if you're done with that lamination. Now you wanna like take your small one. If you don't, you can just use the regular one, like I used a while ago. I'm going to find this one. Oh, you found it. There, right there. Like we're gonna be using that later, so yeah. So I'm just gonna get this ready. Now I wanna like cut this one. And guys, I don't wanna waste tape. That's why I'm like saving up tape. And now I'm going to get a piece of this tape and cut it just like that. And I'm going to tape it in here. You're not seeing it, sorry. And you're going to do that again. I lost it. So you get it again, and then you will cut it like that, and then you will go like this, like that, and you wanna get that out, and you want to like close that up. It's closed. So if you're like cutting all the way, it will not like. I just got off the. Oh my god, it's my feet. I just got off the tripod, so yeah. Like I'm explaining, it will be not like it gives you a back and a front, and it's not taped. So you want to like this. Cut it very slowly. And next time I'm gonna be doing a tutorial for 3D paper squishies, so stay tuned for that. This will be good if you're like doing with an edge and stuff. Oh, I'll just throw this away for a minute. Now you have like this, like this. It is like this now. You want to get your big tape and laminate the back. So yeah, like this, guys. Gonna be very carefully putting a tape. And guys, and I like this way better. Gosh, going to tape that there. Gosh, so I don't like doing paper squishy right now because it takes pretty long time for the stitch to go in with. So yeah, there. And you, good thing is quiet here because I'm like the only one in the room. So there. I keep saying there. Okay, good. Oh my gosh. I hope this don't push wrong or anything. Okay, it's good. Now you'll be not using this anymore. Oh yeah. Now you wanna go like this. And you will like go like get your small tape. But if you just do it better, please, so you can see it. I'm going to cut it. Yeah, there you cut it, and now let's tape right over here. This is the hardest part for me. And I'm gonna fold that back and I go like this. Ta-da! And you can do like that now. And this is kind of yellow tape. Oh yeah, it's pretty yellow. That's why I don't like that this much. It's pretty yellow-ish. it's going good. Gosh, I lost the tape again. I hate this. Next time I'm gonna get the bigger one. Okay, I'm gonna get the bigger one. So you're gonna repeat that. So guys, I'm all done taping it. It's time to stuff. I'll be using pill stuffing. So guys, I'm all done stuffing it. Now we're gonna close it all shut. This is what you're looking so far. Just taping it. You already see. I take small. Yeah. So one of them you cannot see them with holes because they're literally taped it all the way. Like other people, they usually melt. Oh, this is looking so good so far. Oh my gosh. Found it. Yeah. Finally, I'm going to make this finished. So it'll be finished. Finally. Okay. What's this? Oh, we're almost done. We were gonna tape it up, tape it up. Gosh. Oh my god. There. Oh my gosh. You're blushing. Okay. Going to take that in. Oh my gosh, it's going good. It's the last tape of all. Like, the last tape of them all. I think not. I think I have a tape or something else. So yeah. You want to do this, like, find some tape. Oh, there is a hole. There is a hole. I'm going to, like, tape it so it's not polarizing. It's right here. The hole's right here. All done. So here's the final product. So this, okay, I already squished it, but it was a pinch. So yeah. So here's the real squish of the squishy. Oh, she's squishy. Wait, like the face is actually yellow. She yellow. Oh my god, there is so long. I thought there was holes. Oh my gosh, there's a hole. I'm gonna take that. This is so squishy and polarizing, guys. And it got polarizing. Oh my god, there's a hole. So guys, the camera fell and I don't want to fix it anymore. So yeah. So I really love this, and I tape all the holes. Oh, maybe. Oh my god, leave a hole, a big hole in the middle. Gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, whatever. I hope guys you like this video. I tried my best to make this sort of thing. I hate this question. That'll be a fail for me. So yeah, so bye guys.